I think I'm here. Oh, what? Is this still Tulum? This is gorgeous. Hello!
Hello.
How are y'all
Yeah,
doing?
great. Robin.
Robin, nice to meet
David.
you.
And I'm
This
Zach.
is Zach.
I'm Jeff.
Nice to meet you. Would you like to come see the pool?
I would love to see the pool. Let's go. It doesn't even feel like we're in Tulum. It feels like it's its own secluded area, especially if I want to be away from people or even discreet. Like I have friends that like to come and we just want to be able to just hang out and not feel the pressure of not having our own space. And this feels like having your own space. So this is a magnificent property and I'm loving it. So share with me a little bit more about the rooms and the spaces. What do we got?
This is the main structure where we have living room, dining room, kitchen, and of course it all looks out here under the pool, and over here it looks out into the jungle.
Okay.
We have 3 different living structures. These 2 have primary bedrooms with bedroom and bathroom. And then there's 2 units over here, which has 2 bedrooms each, and then one over here that has 2 bedrooms as well.
Wow.
So there's 8 bedrooms, 7 baths.
Wow. It's giving like boutique hotel, but way more in a luxurious manner. And I like this. So kudos to y'all for that. This is really, really nice. How many people can fit in here?
We say 21 people can fit, because each room has a day bed,
Okay.
as well as a king-size bed.
This is such a great place to host multiple people, if it's family, friends. I'm guessing y'all do like parties or get-togethers, and this is the place that people come.
We have 4 children, and they have spouses, partners, and we have now 5 grandchildren. And we pulled them all together and said, all right, if we're going on a family vacation, what do we want? And this is what we came up with.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It kept getting bigger.
I mean, you said 4 kids, but I feel like I'm the 5th child now. Wherever you need me to fit in, I'm here.
That's right, that's right.
I think what makes Apapacho so special is that you have this whole private jungle around you. Very few properties in Tulum have this much private space. So I think when guests come here, they really love the fact that they feel like they're not even in Tulum anymore. It's like their own private little oasis. You're also only 3-minute drive to the beach, so it's super close to get there, where all the best beach clubs and all the best restaurants are. So it's very easy to get down there. Our concierge team can also help guests with everything from A to Z, from transportation the moment you arrive at the airport, all the way to having like a nice dinner here with a private chef, some tequila tastings, mezcal tastings, and basically anything you can imagine while you need here in Tulum.
I love that. I love that.
And Jeff, one thing I want to point out is you can flush toilet paper into our system because we have a wastewater system. All the water here goes through a number of different natural filters. All of the water from all gets pumped back into nature and feeds the plants.
I like that a lot. Very sustainable and really cool. So
And with that, let's go meet with the architect and the designer.
that'd be great. Hello, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you? I'm Alexandro, the architect of this place.
Hi, Raquel, the designer.
Nice to meet y'all. I'm Jeff. And whoa, this place is beautiful. So can you just tell me like what goes into designing a place like this?
Yes, of course, we always are inspired about nature. So at the beginning, we made a map of all the trees that we had. We always want to preserve it. The colors, the textures, the wood that we use, all our local materials. Behind us, we have 2 trees,
Okay.
a mangus and a alamo. That was the first thing that we used, like an inspiration.
Such a wonderful description and a great meaning. So thank y'all for sharing that. Apapacho.
Yeah.
Did I say it right?
Yeah, you said it right.
Now, what does that mean?
Apapacho is a very Mexican word,
Okay.
and it has meaning with the family and like a hug. It's like a grandmom hugging
Yes.
their grandchildren, or it's like love.
Yeah, warm.
So
I
yeah,
love that.
warm,
Yes,
everything
endearment.
coming together, and I think that the whole building represents a big Apapacho for everyone.
Y'all have done such an amazing job with this space. Congratulations on just the recognition that y'all have gotten from this space. And yeah, kudos to y'all. Y'all did a great job.
Thank you very much.